abiding fan, make sure to go ahead and grab yourself a cup of tea and let's do some fun journaling. This spread I'm bringing you today is a 2-page spread about our hike to the pinnacle. That is an awesome little hiking spot in our area with this gorgeous view of the valley below from the mountaintop, and we always love going on this hike a few times a year. And so I just really wanted to capture this wonderful day that we had, starting with an amazing breakfast, enjoying a gorgeous, beautiful hike across the pinnacle, and then ending our day at Longhorn Steakhouse. We had a huge steak that we shared together, and it was just such a lovely day. We both commented that it felt like we were on vacation, and so I made sure that this spread also kind of had that feel. Now this washi tape that I'm using here at the bottom is a washi that I got at the scrapbooking convention, and it has this gorgeous little mountain scene with little houses down in the valley. So even though our scene didn't look quite as fairy tale-esque as this washi tape, I thought that it still captured it well. And you can see the way I put down the washi, I purposefully made it so that whether it's flipped up or down, you still can see the full washi tape scene. So I really love the way that turned out. So there you can see how you can also see the full washi scene on the bottom when it's flipped down, and as well as being flipped up. So my biggest problem with pages like this is fitting in all of the photos I want to keep. So having tip-ins is a really great way when I have excess photos to be able to make sure that I create enough space to include all of the photos without it seeming to be overcrowded. Another way I like to make plenty of room for my photos is layering them. So if there's part of a photo that doesn't necessarily need to be shown or is represented in another photo, I can cover that up without too much of an issue, as you can see I did there on the top with those 3 photos in a little collage together. And one of my new favorite things is creating little collages of word stickers. So just little quotes and stickers that have fun little phrases on them. So I'll put them together in a little trio usually, just as I did there in the corner of the big pinnacle photo. And by the way, that pinnacle photo with the words written across it, I did that using the app Collage, in which I could just use text to write across the image, and I think it just is a fun little addition to do with your photos every now and then, to edit them within a digital app such as Collage. It just creates a different kind of look. For those of you who are curious, the sticker book that I am currently using is the One Canoe to Canoe from American Crafts, which I just am obsessed with that name. It is so much fun to say. But I have really been loving this sticker book. I got it on Amazon, and I will have that, of course, linked down below for you. But if you are somebody who goes outdoors a lot, if you are like me and Ben and love to hike and kayak and just be outside as much as possible, and so if your journaling reflects that same love, then you should definitely check out the One Canoe to Canoe sticker book from American Crafts. Now I'm moving on to some of these really fun little botanical elements that I got off of Wish.com when I had a little obsession with Wish.com a few months ago, and I thought these were the cutest things, and then admittedly just never really used them. I thought I would use them all the time and just haven't, so I was really excited to finally just force myself to include them in a spread, and I really liked the way that it turned out in this one. So I wanted to also bring in some doodle elements so that it's not just stickers and die cuts and things that were pre-created, but also has the fun element of it also coming from me and things that I create. To make sure it all tied together, I decided to use the botanicals that are on that journaling card on the back of the pinnacle photo, and just use that as inspiration and recreate those same sort of leaf patterns along the side there. And I like the way that those botanicals on either side are kind of peeking around the photo and enticing the person flipping through the journal to kind of pull that photo down and peek behind it and see what's there. So then for the other page, I just wanted to create another little collage with these photos and then tying in the washi tape and more botanical stickers. And you can see that I really tried to think about how I wanted to layer them, so I would put down a background sticker and then a photo, and then the washi would be layered atop that photo with another photo on top of it, so that it seems like it's all kind of just fell there, but obviously it was very thought through. And then I put in that cute adventure word sticker at the top, and decided to go and draw in more of those little botanicals so that the two pages really flow together. One of my favorite ways to do dates now is with this stencil, and first I had to clean up the pen that got all over my hands. So my pen kind of just exploded on me. I don't know how that happened, but that didn't stop me from continuing to use it, did it? So I went ahead and used this stencil, as I said, that I got for like $2 on Amazon. I love this stencil so much. It has served me very, very well for its price. And so I used that for the date, and then just hand lettered in June for the month, and put in another little botanical word too, just to fill up all that empty space, because you guys know by now that I don't leave any space unturned. It all has to be filled with something. So next I took this best ever sticker and then under it wrote morning. So these two pages really kind of split up our day. On the left is our morning with our delicious breakfast and coffee, and then on the right is our hike and all the journaling related to that. So those are the finished spreads, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some tips along the way and just had fun journaling alongside me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and thank you so much to my patrons for making these videos possible. And if you're interested in extra content, be sure to check out my Patreon. But I also just love having you guys here too, so be sure to subscribe for more content over here on my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video.